In the hushed corner of our world, where sunlight dances through leaves and whispers weave through the air, there lies an extraordinary realm of life often overlooked. Welcome to The Secret Lives of Plants, Communication, Memory, and Consciousness. Today, we unravel the hidden dialogues, memories, and even the consciousness of our green companions. For centuries, we've gazed upon plants as passive, unchanging entities. But what if I told you they are more than mere fixtures of the landscape? What if they are sentient beings, communicating in ways beyond our wildest imaginings? In the forefront of botanical science, researchers are uncovering secrets that challenge our perceptions. Plants, it turns out, possess a sophisticated network of communication, memory, and even forms of consciousness. Imagine a plant as a living network, constantly receiving and sending signals. These signals are not mere responses but intricate conversations with their environment. Through chemical releases, electrical impulses, and physical changes, plants exchange messages about threats, resources, and survival. When under attack, a plant's response is nothing short of extraordinary. It releases chemical signals into the air, warning neighboring plants of impending danger. This is not just a defense mechanism, it is a sophisticated form of plant-to-plant communication. They are, in essence, speaking to each other, sharing crucial information about their survival. Expert. Plants exhibit a remarkable form of memory. When exposed to a stressor, such as drought or physical damage, they remember this experience. This memory allows them to better prepare for future challenges, adjusting their growth patterns and resource allocation to mitigate damage. But it doesn't end there. Recent studies have shown that plants have a form of intelligence, a consciousness of sorts. They can process information about their surroundings, make decisions, and even display behaviors that suggest a form of awareness. From the sensitive mimosa to the adaptive Venus flytrap, plants exhibit behaviors that challenge our understanding of consciousness. These movements are not random but are responses to environmental stimuli, reflecting an intricate interplay of perception and action. Beneath the surface, an underground network of roots and fungal connections, known as the mycorrhizal network, serves as a conduit for plant communication. This subterranean web facilitates the exchange of nutrients and information, creating a hidden yet vital community. Through this network, plants can share resources, warn each other of diseases, and even support struggling neighbors. This complex system reveals the depth of their interconnectedness and their capacity for cooperation. Imagine a world where plants not only react to their environment but also anticipate it. This is the essence of plant memory, an ability to encode experiences and use them to influence future responses. It's a phenomenon that bridges the gap between biological response and cognitive function. As night falls and the world around us quiets, consider this. What if the next time you walk through a garden, you're not just in the presence of flora, but in the midst of a vibrant, communicative community? From the way plants warn each other of dangers to their ability to remember past events, the secret lives of plants are filled with mysteries waiting to be discovered. Each leaf, each root, and each stem holds a story of survival, adaptation, and an astonishing level of awareness. The next time you encounter a plant, remember, you're looking at a sophisticated, sentient life form with its own ways of interacting with the world. The secret lives of plants remind us that life, in all its forms, is more connected and intelligent than we ever imagined. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the hidden realms of plant life. Until next time, may you find wonder in the green world around you.